It looks like this picture was taken in an airport, probably a busy terminal, and there are a few different people doing different things at the same time. On the left side, there's a couple standing at the check in counter and talking to an airport staff member. And since they're still there, I would imagine they're either checking in their luggage or maybe dealing with some kind of issue with their flight. I'm not really sure. There are two kids standing near a suitcase, and they're kind of moving around a lot, like they don't really want to stay still. The adult with them looks like he's watching them closely, so it seems like they're waiting for the check in to finish, and the kids might be getting impatient, especially if they've been there for a while. On the right, there's a young man sitting on the floor with his back against his luggage, looking at his phone. He doesn't look stressed, so I'd guess he arrived early and is just killing time before boarding starts. And yeah, it just looks like people are waiting around and getting ready to go.